Abutilons, or flowering maples, come in lots of colours. They flower from spring through summer, some almost year-round in the right climate. So why and how do we prune Abutilons? The reason that they need pruning is that they do tend to get leggy, and especially if grown in a little too much shade, like this one. Pruning will certainly help, and the best time to prune is in late winter to early spring. If you're in a colder zone, wait until the danger of frost is over so those new buds don't get damaged. Pruning is easy. You can use loppers, secateurs or pruners, or a pruning saw. When pruning, try to look for a node. These are the little bumps on the stem, and prune just above them. If you prune in the wrong spot, you can always come back once the plant starts to shoot out and then prune back to new growth below. You're generally pruning to height, so determine how high you want the plant, remembering that Abutilons are fast growers, so don't be afraid to prune back hard. After you've pruned to the basic height and shape that you want, remove any dead growth and remove any spindly growth. The stronger growth is what you're after, all the time trying to prune just above a node. This is our Abutilon pruned in late winter, and here it is shooting out just 4 weeks later. And here it is with the first flowers in late spring, moving towards summer. You could prune back even harder than we have here, nearly to ground level if you want to. Remember, after pruning, it's a good time to fertilise with a general purpose fertiliser and water in well. So that's it for pruning Abutilons. They're really easy to prune. They'll reward you with flowers for a long period of time. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for videos on pruning a whole range of garden plants, information on a whole range of popular and rare plants, vegetable gardening, landscaping, you name it. And as always, good luck with your gardening.